Wow! Another beautiful day. It's supposed to be up in the 80s again. Thank you, El Nino, or whatever your name is. Man, we just breezing through this month. And next week, cold front coming in, lots of rain. And boom, man, we gotta worry about January, February. Be the coldest months. Get through that crap. So I'm gonna try. Well, I'm not gonna try. I'm gonna do it and get the old little Miss Evinrude fired up. See how everything's looking. Yeah, little Miss Evinrude. Keeping my fingers crossed that coil won't break down. I think it was all the oil all over those points. Come down, feed the fishies. Now, what I've been doing, I come down here and just, there they come, see? They start coming out when I knock on the dock. Get them something to eat. The piranhas, baby. Boy, they're getting big. Almost time for a fish fry. Well, I've got some X-Acto knives around here somewhere. And if I can't find them, I'll have to do this with a regular razor blade. But I'm gonna cut this piece out, peel off the sticky, and lay it in there, and cut it. Don't have to be pretty. Like that. Alright, let's see if I can cut this thing out. And just punch it through, see. So that don't look too bad. Well, here we go again. Another frickin' setback. The screw just keeps turning. Oh man, wonder how that top one's gonna be. Both know that it's wrong, but it's much too long to let go now. We meet every day at the same garage. Oh boy, that's gonna be tight now. Let's try it. Where's my knobby? There. The farther I put it on, the more I can screw it in. But I really won't know the perfect spot until the hood's on. But it's working. Tighten this up. I already tightened that one up. Alright, so here's carburetor adjustment for high speed, low speed, these two needle valve carbs, old carbs. Joe Reeves. This is on marineengine.com blog. And it has the whole series of older carbs. Alright, initial setting. Seat gently. 1 turnout on the bottom, 1.5 on the top, slow speed. Start the engine. It will run pretty rough. Shift it to forward gear. Take up full throttle. That's for the high speed. In segments of 1/8 turns, waiting for engine to respond between each increment. Start turning in the bottom high-speed needle valve. You'll reach a point whereas the engine will either start to die or spit back, lean sneeze. Sounds like a mild backfire, he says. At that point, back it out, quarter turn. Within that quarter turn, you should find the sweet spot. But man, I don't want to rev this thing up at high speed in that bucket. Let's just see if we can get it somewhere without putting it in high gear, full throttle. Pretty sure that's what he meant, right? Full throttle. Didn't it say full throttle? Yeah, that's how you do it on the boat. Yeah, take it up to full throttle. Man. In gear. It's just, freaking water be flowing out of there. Not doing it. And, you know, see how close we can get it. But now see, the way he's talking, they're in a, you know, they're in the factory with a big tank like Cody Bass has, and can't do this here with a bucket. Get out of here, helicopter. Man, please, outboard guys. It's when I need you, baby. On the handle now. So it should be idling at shift. Bring it back up a little bit. You can tell that coil, it should be good. It started breaking down way before that, so it wasn't the coil breaking down, it was the oil on the points. I want this idle, I want this handle down, farther to go, down higher. Shift position on there, wants to die. I'm between shift and slow on the handle. Almost down to slow. So right there, I'm in the range. Back to start position. Nice, nice. It's so nice when the motor does the work. You know, it's right there. Boom. A 7-year-old can start it. I'm gonna get a little more water in the tank. Back it up a little bit. Uh-oh. slow. I think I'm going to adjust the cam again. I'm going to bring it all the way out and see. All the way out wasn't that much. Alright, there's shift position, not start position. Almost down to slow. So much play in this linkage down here. It's just, you know, you can't really go by the handle because of all the play and the linkage. I don't think it's going to get much better than that. That's probably because of all this play. See there? That's stock. You got that much play in there. So as I'm turning this, you know, that play's not doing anything. See this thing bouncing around over here? Nothing's happening up here. All right, let's go back to start. Oh, baby. Nothing, man. Nothing to pull this baby. She sounds nice. Pop it in gear. Wow, didn't bat an eyelash. Another freaking helicopter. What the heck is going on? Two of them. I better turn the news on. Hee hee hee. She sounds good. I'm gonna tighten it up. I'm not touching it. Whoa! Hold on. Yeah, see, when I turn that nut, it turned the whole handle. Man, I love it. Told you. Wow. She's sweet, man. She's sweet. Alright, let's fire her back up. Let's come up to shift. So after it's warmed up, you don't need start position. Look at that, man, barely pulled it. Oh God, I gotta get more water in there. So yeah, he'll have to put it on his boat, run it up high speed, and adjust that high speed knob for highest speed. Yeah, man, like I said, a 2-year-old can start this puppy. Let's put it on slow. You know what, let's bring it all the way up and back down to slow without screwing, messing the linkage up. See what happens. I don't know if it'll start down there. Hell yeah. You can't get any slower than that. She likes shift position. See, you gotta move this thing. Like I said, you got all this play. That handle ain't moving. You can pull all that crap off, tighten it up. Looks like where the rod goes down, there should be a bushing in there. Looks like the bushing is missing or wore out. Damn, there goes another helicopter. Something has happened somewhere. It's all sheriff's helicopters too. I told you it wasn't gonna be that hard. Well, let's fire this baby up one more time. Oh, watch how easy this thing is. Alright, my work is finished. Wait for the next one, baby. And thanks again, Glenn. Great job with the knobs, and check him out. The Outboard Tinkerer, baby. 62 exclamation point. He'll hook you up.
You know the channel. Oh yeah, baby. Don't forget to subscribe.